up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Eclipse Lawn Care Daily Downtime. We're here at this property, and I'm going to tell you guys, this is the biggest leaf cleanup we've done by far. I mean, it's probably, I'm going to say maybe about an acre, maybe just right about an acre, maybe a little bit over. But this entire property was covered with leaves. It took us maybe, about 30 minutes to kind of blow maybe about a layer or two of leaves, kind of spread it out. And we have Doug on baby cakes. I don't know if we get, yeah, there he is. Doug's on baby cakes, and he's just going back and forth mulching it. We got the new guy over here also blowing. I'm gonna give y'all a view of the backyard and let you see what we got going back there. The backyard is still somewhat full of leaves. Here, I'll show you the new guy. So there he is. We're gonna try to blow everything, what's left right there, out to the backyard. It's windy, so we're getting a gust of wind from south to north. So everything's kind of going and collecting against this fence, and the neighbors, they're trying to get the leaves not blown into their yard because I think that house is on the market. But this is the property, so it's a pretty big property, guys. I tried it already, cleaning up a lot of the leaves on the porch, which, I mean, it was terrible. Snake infested area once again. A lot of water snakes. There's a little, I don't know if y'all can, yeah, there you could see the little pond back there. So these properties, especially the flower beds, they're infested with a lot of water snakes. So you gotta be on your toes, you know. Already kind of blown a few snakes away, but you know, they're small little snakes, nothing big. They're not anacondas or anything like that. I tell you what, my anaconda don't want none of my weed eater, man, because we'll tear it up. Man, let me show you. These leaves have been on here for I don't know, maybe about a season and a half. I mean, it's just tons of leaves. It's just caked onto the ground here, to the stones. So it takes some elbow grease to get these moving and get them loose. Once you get them loose, and it's a piece of cake moving them out. Like I said, we got a gust of wind going from south to east, which isn't helping much. Let's go ahead and take a look at Doug. He's on baby cakes. Give you some action there. Doug's getting it. I don't want to make this a long video. I don't want to make it a long video just because we're almost out of fuel, so I got to go get some fuel. Let's see. All right, don't know what that was about. Go ahead and look at Doug. Doug's quick on baby cakes, man. But that's what we're working with today. We've been here for about, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. Baby cakes is getting it. Like I said, I mean, she did a pretty good job just mulching up the leaves here. The flower beds, terrible, snake infested, water snakes, garter snakes, little slimy snakes. I mean, you name it, guys, we got it in the flower bed. Ball pythons, anacondas. No anacondas. But I gotta go get some fuel. So that's it. I posted I think I posted a before and after picture on my Instagram. Y'all guys aren't following on Instagram, but check it out right there. Boom, right there, baby. Instagram. Boom, Twitter, but I never use it, fellas. Boom, Facebook, but I really don't use it either. But I do use the IG, and I do use the YouTube, fellas. Okay. Dang coronavirus. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and lock up this trailer. Go get some fuel, get some drinks for the guys, some sweet tea, and thanks for watching, man. Like this video. I'll do a little update. You know what? I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna go get the fuel, get the guys some drink, come back, and we'll start recording again. Stay tuned, fellas. All right, guys, had to make a run over here to Home Depot real quick. I need to pick up some 2-cycle oil before I start to refuel. I was looking at the Echo. You know, you got the two different, I guess, style. You got the regular power blend gold, and then you got the Red Armor. I've tried the Red Armor a while back. I don't know, it's really not, I didn't see any difference on them, but I'm gonna try out this other brand. It's the ethanol shield with fuel stabilizer. We're gonna give that a shot. I think it'll work. We're gonna pick up 2 of these real quick. And I don't know, guys, if y'all guys tried the ethanol shield, y'all guys let me know. Give it a shot. And I gotta go pick up a sweet tea for homeboy and fuel up. Can I pay for this here? Awesome.
Is that all?
That's it.
You want a bag?
Nah, no bag.
1726.
All right.
Here you go.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you. There you go. Ethanol shield. Give that a shot. Oh man, check out this Ryobi. What is that? Looks like a battery powered zero turn. Not bad. There was actually a Ryobi representative inside trying to get me to demo one of the battery powered trimmers and weed eaters, but your boy don't got time right now. Gotta go take care of some stuff. Where did I park? There it is. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go ahead and fuel up the cans and head back to the gentleman's there at the property. We'll see what kind of progress they've made with the leaf cleanup. Let's go. Alright guys, wanted to give you a quick tip when blowing leaves. Now we have a gust of wind coming from there, going this way, so every time I blow the leaves, you can kind of see that they kind of scatter towards this way. Quick tip, when you're trying to go against the wind, and I'm trying to bring all this leaf back this way. Now the key is the throttle. Don't give it full throttle. If you kind of give it about a quarter to half throttle, you'll be able to push the leaves against the wind without scattering the leaves and hurting them blow back this way. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to show you full throttle first so you can see what it does. Okay, you see that, right? It's all going this way, but if you give it a quarter throttle to maybe half, then you'll be able to control the leaves a little bit better, and you'll be able to push them towards where you want. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. It's going to be a quarter throttle. There you go. It takes a little finesse of the trigger to be able to control leaves, especially during a windy or breezy day. But I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little view real quick of the backyard, back of the property. We still got some leaves that need to be mulched up a little bit. The blade on the Toro is definitely, yeah, it's bad. Definitely needs a sharpen. I'm going to switch out the blades and get these sharpened for our when we go out and cut grass. Definitely can't cut grass with the blades that are on there right now. So we have one property that we are going to mow today. Smaller property, but we'll be able to use a 21-inch. But the blades are shot on this one for sure. We have lots of tree limbs on the floor. Just a bunch of trash that we're running over. But I don't know if y'all can tell, we still got some leaves on this side. I'm gonna start trying to blow as much as I can and go with the wind. I'm gonna have the wind help me out instead of fighting against the wind. I'm gonna start on this side and start blowing the smaller pieces of leaves back towards the fellas and have them mulch it up. So, like I said, if you're gonna try to control the leaves against the wind, give it about a quarter of throttle to half a throttle, and that should kind of help out. So there you go, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, looks like we're done with the leaf cleanup. We just got a few debris right by the fence line that we're kind of raking up. It was really wet and damp, the leaves by that fence line, so we just try to mulch as much as we could, but of course it's not going to mulch when it's wet, so we're going to rake up just that little piece. We got the backyard looking nice as well. Took us about 3.5 4 hours to knock out this leaf cleanup. I mean, I don't know, I think it's good. This is one of the first big leaf cleanups that I've done, and I think it was a success. I think we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Actually, let's go see what what Doug and the new guy are doing. I'll show you what we got going on over here. I'm actually going to measure the flower beds and, you know, let the customer know that we could do a cleanup and add a mulch and trim the shrubs, which they're kind of wild, and also in the back. Flower beds all the way around are very very tall and just definitely needs a cleanup. So this is the part I was telling you about. We need to rake up and in a bag. We're not gonna rake up the whole thing. We're just the loose leaves on top. And we got old Buster Douglas at it again. We're gonna let him be. We'll let Dougie Doug be. Here, there you go. I think the guys are tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the vlog so I can give them a hand real quick. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Yeah, buddy.